Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites so the update can install cleanly. First, open Settings and verify your model and current iOS version. This tells you if the camera update is included. Make a backup to iCloud or your computer. This protects photos and settings. Once done, plug into power or confirm at least 50% battery and connect to stable Wi-Fi so the download won't stall. Now go to Settings, General Software Update to check for available updates. You'll start the actual update process by tapping Download and Install. You may need your passcode. The device checks available storage. If low, remove or offload big apps, photos, or use optimized storage so the package fits. The download may take minutes to an hour depending on size and connection speed, and the phone will prepare the update. Make sure you don't interrupt power or Wi-Fi. When it reboots, the system applies changes. That's when camera firmware and software improvements are written. You should verify results by opening the camera app and testing core modes: photo, video, night, portrait, and switching lenses if applicable. This confirms the update applied. If you encounter glitches, black viewfinder crashes, or missing features, restart the iPhone first, then try Settings General Reset all settings. Your data stays intact. If problems persist, restore from the backup you made earlier or contact Apple support. Finally, make sure to check Software Update again for any follow-up patches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.